Hey guys, and welcome to a new video from Pakistan. I'm actually already out of Pakistan. I'm here in Istanbul, Turkey, but guys, believe me, there will be so many more videos to come, especially in the north. I made some fantastic videos in the beautiful nature of Pakistan. I still can't believe what I experienced there. It's such a beautiful region, so make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see these videos. And in the meantime, I will tell you quickly what you will see in today's episode. So we were driving from Naran in the north of Pakistan, and our goal was to reach the Fairy Meadows, which we will not be in today's video, but we are on our way and we are crossing the Babusar Pass, which is on over 4,000 meters, and super exciting because you can just drive there with your car. But let's just head into the video without wasting too much time. So see you guys in the north of Pakistan. Good morning guys, another day in Pakistan. We are on our way to the Babusar Pass, which is over 4,000 meters in altitude, which is absolutely insane. And we make a quick toilet break. The views are incredible, like it's 360, I can look everywhere. It's fantastic, and I'll actually buy some fruits now. It seems interesting. Enrico, how do you like it here?
I cannot speak, you said.
You can't speak? You
I
can.
can speak. Oh, I like it.
You like it?
Kinda.
Molto bene. Okay guys, I bought fruits, but I found something much more interesting. It's called goats. Goats are my new favorite mountain animal. Hello goats! They're escaping from us. They don't like us. But let's not waste too much time and head to the pass. And guys, I made it to the top of Babusar, which is around 4,100 and something meters, which is actually the highest altitude I've ever been to, which is absolutely mental. Freaking cold, and the road will go down afterwards to continue to Fairy Meadow. It looks insane, so I will try to fly the drone to show it to you guys, and believe me, it's freezing here. Like some days ago I was in Karachi and was sweating my ass off because it was so hot, and now I'm freezing my ass off because it's so cold. But I definitely prefer this because nature is the best thing on earth, and the mountains is what I love the most probably. Just look at this. That place is absolutely incredible, but we don't have much time, so let's continue to the Fairy Meadows, our little bus. After we were on 4,100 meters where it was so freezing cold, we now went down again. I don't know on which altitude we are right now, but seriously guys, I fell asleep in the bus for some minutes and we went down so fast that it's now super hot. So I had to remove all my clothes and I'm still hot now. It's like crazy the difference in temperature. We will now go up again to the Fairy Meadow and there we will have to change to a Jeep. So let's see how it goes. And unfortunately I saw a really sad and lonely goat here. The goat has a broken leg, I think. It looks so sad. But I don't know what I should do. It's really sad to see it. I hope the goat is okay. Seriously, it makes me so sad. The goat is also really shy and I think afraid of humans. So I think that some human did this to the goat, but I really don't hope so. It's too sad, but I have to leave. Okay, I have no idea how I ended up with a bag of French fries in the mountains of Pakistan, but I did. Life has always interesting choices.
Around this place.
Okay.
This place, and then we will go to here, and then we will go to Fairy Pass.
Whoa. So guys, you saw it, road tripping in Pakistan is always fun. It's just, the views in the north of Pakistan are incredible no matter where you go, and crossing the Babusar Pass was an experience I wouldn't want to miss. It was super fun, especially when I flew the drone. The views there were fantastic with the snaky road, just incredible. I really hope you liked this video. If you did so, leave a like down there and also subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you have any questions or want to say something, please leave a comment. I try to answer all of them or at least check them out. And in the next video, actually, we will finally make it to the Fairy Meadows, where we will take a cheap ride up there, and there will be a surprise on the top because something not so nice happened. So make sure to stay tuned for that and check it out next week, probably on next Sunday, and see you guys another day.